My today's topic is rescuing a person from the torment of hellfire. Person from the torment of hellfire, and to get her or he shifted from the hellfire to paradise, to Jannah. No any such thing during the time of the period of Salafi Salihin. But the Sufis has a prescription or a way out to get the person who is in hellfire to, to get relief and be transferred from hellfire to Jannah. The story is present in Fazael-e-Aamal and his book Ahyal Ulum and Tariq Jamil and many of these Sufis on social media. Okay, and not only that, there are fatwas on the Darul Uloom Deoband fatwa site. Yes, it is possible. Fatwa side, this yes, it is possible. Not only that, you can recite 70,000 kalima and keep it as a stock for yourself or for anyone else, and you can transfer it to them, and they will get relief from hellfire. The story is as goes as narrated in Fazael-e-Aamal. Tabligh Jamaat writes, okay, a young person was sitting in front of a wali or something. All of a sudden he shouted, sir, Maulvi Sahib, my mother is burning in hellfire. So that Maulvi was having a stock of 70,000 kalima in his possession. He transfers that reward to that lady, the mother of the young person, and all of a sudden she gets relief and is transferred from hellfire to Jannah. Uh, the Sufis and the Tablighi Jamaat people, they can, I think they should try this thing for their relatives and loved ones. The only thing they need a person who has the kashf khubur. That means a person who knows what is going on inside with the person who is buried in the grave. Um, a person who has the knowledge of the grave, then he will tell you whether the person is in the hell or he is in the paradise. Then they can do. It is only for the Tablighis, not for Muslims. May Allah save us from all these heresies. Amen.